Hello everyone watching. It's a gorgeous monsoon day. I know it doesn't look like monsoon, but it is what it is. And what's making today special, apart from this location, this lovely location, are these two beauties and one beauty. So this motorcycle, it's a 2019 BS4 bike, and this Interceptor, it's a 2021 BS6 bike. Now the difference between this bike and this bike, of course this is an Interceptor, this is a Continental GT, Pratt, whatever you call it. The only difference between these two motorcycles is, apart from the tires, is a major increase in price. This motorcycle costed me around 3.27 lakh on road in Goa, and this bike, Dhruv, how much did this cost? 3.7 lakh on road in Goa.
Yeah, but this is the chrome tank.
Okay, now the chrome tank of course costs around 20,000 more than the stock tank for whichever motorcycle you buy. But even after that, and a price increase of 50,000 rupees, I think it's just a bit too much. Because apart from the tires, even the tires are a downgrade. So this motorcycle came with Pirelli tires and this RCATs. Now I'm not hating on this tire at all. This is a good tire, and the company must have given it a good thought before going with this tire. But a friend of mine has an Interceptor, and the Seat tire was worn out after just 6,000 kilometers, which is, I think, rubbish. Even the Pirellis on my bike lasted for 10,000 kilometers, and now I am running an MRF Zapper Y, and this will run me at least 10-12,000 kilometers easily. Okay, so coming to point 2, someone had asked me a long time ago what the difference between this handlebar and that handlebar is, because I changed from the clip-ons to a handlebar. So now the clip-ons, my sitting position was here. So I was like this, and for me, for a longer ride, it was a bit too aggressive, and I had to go from here to Mumbai and back. So I had to change the handlebar to a more comfortable handlebar while maintaining the aggressive look of a cafe racer and having that aggressive seating position. Because see, this right now, how I'm sitting, for me at least, this is perfect. Okay, I love the way this feels, and my rider's triangle, it's comfortable while being aggressive and also being looking cool. Okay. Now on the Interceptor, the problem I had was the foot pegs are forward set and it's a bit more upright. For me, for my height and my preference, it's not very comfortable. It's not a very comfortable position to be in, because the handlebar on that, it's curved a bit inwards. So this, to me, okay, for some people it might be good, but for me I prefer this. So that's why I can change from the clip-ons to this. Now and this is even better because these foot pegs are rear set. Aggressive, much more control over the bike, and stylish. Cancel ho gaya.
All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative. I need new.
That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.